everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Beauty by AJ, and today's video is going to be an eyebrow tutorial. I get a lot of questions on how I do my eyebrows, so this is that video. So to start off, I use the LA Girl Brow Pomade, and this stuff is so good. It's very comparable to the Anastasia Dip Brow, but it's way cheaper, and I feel like it's actually smoother and easier to work with than the Anastasia Dip Brow. So I'm going to even out my eyebrows, fill in where it needs to be filled in. So the actual names of all the products that I use will be listed below in the description box. To conceal underneath my eyebrow, I use this Ulta concealer, and when I tell you guys, this stuff is amazing. It's super thick. It covers all the imperfections that you have, especially when you need to conceal your eyebrows when they need to be done. This covers all those hairs, so I definitely recommend this Ulta Beauty concealer. And I used a skin tone colored concealer to conceal the top of my eyebrow. And that is really all I do. I realize that my eyebrows are very long, but this is what works for me, and that's how I do my eyebrows. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a thumb up. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, leave a comment down below. And as always, make sure you are subscribed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my video next time. Bye.